Welcome, today in front of me Doogee S86 Pro, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test of this device. So I set up my fingerprints here on the right side of our device scanner, and now you can see that I can unblock the device with my fingerprint. And now I'll just try to unlock the device a couple of times, and we'll see does this unlock method works and how fast it is. So let's start. Just for second, third, or fifth. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. So I just really simple hold this scanner, and now as can you see, when I'm just so simple touch it, I can also unlock the device. So I suggested to try this unlock method, but don't forget that this method is less secure than the passcode or PIN code, so be careful with this. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.